Hey guys, and welcome to day one. As you saw, we flew in really late last night, and today we are going to drive to Key Largo from Fort Lauderdale to start our vacation. We're at Spirit Airlines headquarters. It's really cool. We just got to our hotel, the Playa Largo Resort in Key Largo. We're at Soul by the Sea for dinner. Good morning and welcome to day two. Today we got seats by the ocean, so we're going to spend the entire day here. We're at Shell World in Key Largo. We're at Snook's Bayside for dinner. Good morning and welcome to day three. Today we are driving 2.5 hours to Key West and back just to hang out there for the day. We just got to Key West. guys, and welcome to day 4. Today, we're going to hang out at our resort pool all day. Good morning and welcome to day 5. It is 3:30 a.m. right now, and we are heading to the airport because it's an hour and a half drive away, and then our flight is around 7, so we'll get home around 10ish. Hey guys! Nope. Mom, you're really loud. Okay. How cool is this? Like, it's just there. We're at Seoul by the Sea for dinner. I just got you saying that on camera. So we're going to spend the entire day there. Here. We're at Snook's Bayside for dinner. What are you doing? Good morning and welcome to day 3. Dad, I'm filming. That's really cool. Good morning and welcome to day 4. Today we're just going to hang out at our hotel and at the pool. Nope.